Welcome to Quick Takes with Wolfram Alpha. Let's look at how to convert the mass of a chemical to the number of moles, as well as the reverse. First, give the initial amount of a chemical, for example 1.5 grams. Note that you must provide the mass unit. Next, give either the name or the chemical formula, for example water or H2O. Finally, type 2 moles, which is the desired unit. Now press Enter. Wolfram Alpha will compute the answer. The first thing that Wolfram Alpha generates is the interpretation of your query. Make sure that this is what you had in mind. Otherwise, more detail will be needed. With a Wolfram Alpha Pro subscription, you can also see the step-by-step solution in addition to the answer. You can study steps one by one or all at once. To convert mole to mass, you need to provide the mole first. For example, 10.45 moles of water to mass. For a desired mass unit, you should explicitly mention it. For example, 25 moles of H2O to pounds. Check out the rest of our videos for more tips on how to get the most from Wolfram Alpha. Thanks for watching.